Today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 19, which is remove nth node from end of list. So this is a medium level Leetcode problem and it has been asked in many interviews, including Amazon interview and Google interviews. Suppose you are given the head of a linked list. Remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. For example, this is our list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to remove the second node from the end of the list, which is this one. So we need to return like this 1, 2, 3, and 5. So how can we do that? So to solve this problem, we can use slow fast pointer approach. So initially slow and fast pointer are placed at this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to increment the fast pointer till nth node from the starting. So suppose n is 2, so it will be like here, okay, at this point. Now fast pointer is at this node, slow pointer is at this node. From there onwards, we are going to iterate over the elements till fast is has become null. So when fast will become null, slow will point to this fourth. Now what we are going to do, we are going to also store the previous element, which is 3. So what we are going to do, previous dot next will be the slow dot next, like this. So let's code it up. So slow will be our head pointer. Okay. Fast will initially be head pointer. Now we are going to run the loop. We will increment fast. And now suppose if fast is, it means that we need to remove the first pointer itself, this one. So we can simply return slow dot next. Now let's store previous in so like that. Now while is fast is not equals to none, we are going to increment fast and slow. And previous will be now slow. We can copy this code and paste it here. At the end, it's previous dot next equals to slow dot next. Okay, and we can simply return head now. Let's run the code. So you see all the test cases are passed. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, n is 2. The result is 1, 2, 3, 5. Case number 2, there is only one element, n is 1, so we'll return empty list. Case number 3, 1 comma 2, we need to remove the this element from the end, so the output is 1. All the test cases are passed. Let's submit the code. So you see the solution is accepted, algorithm is working fine, and the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n because we are iterating over the linked list only once. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.